Is there any example app that I can refer with the Amadeus Self-Service API? Or is there any resources for Java, Node, Python that I can use to develop my applications? Or where's the documentation? Hi, my name is Minji, developer advocate at Amadeus for Developers. In this video, I'm gonna answer all these questions by sharing all the available developer resources and tools. Let's get started. So, first thing first, yes, developers.amadeus.com. This is as I mentioned in the previous video a lot, this is the fundamental website that you can get all the information about the APIs. So here you will be able to see the API catalogs, and you will be able to see what this API does and how to use it. So here, as I mentioned in the also previous video, you can request your first API call in the API references, or you will be also able to check the resources, which I'm going to go through in the next time. Soon. And the next one, which is the very critical for the development, which is SDK, Software Development Kits. We have a official Amadeus for Developers GitHub, which is I'm sharing you right now. So in this GitHub, we have two types of SDKs. The first SDK is the official SDK, and second is community-based SDKs. Official SDK consists of Python, Java, and Node JavaScript. Why it is official SDK? Because Amadeus for Developers team, we are managing and in charge of the maintenance to have some updates based on the API versions, etc. So we are fully managing these three SDKs as an official SDK. We have also Community SDK, which is in another GitHub. Here you can click it. And here in this example GitHub repository, you will be able to find the community-based SDK, which we fully rely on the community to update and maintenance. Community SDK, there is a Ruby, PHP, .NET, and Android, iOS. Yes. Feel free to check out, and if you found any issue and if you have any question, feel free to raise the PR or issue directly in the GitHub repository. Before I go to the next one, I wanted to also mention that in each SDK, we have all this information in README, that how you get started in each language and how to make the API calls, how to do the paginations. There is a code example that you can just copy and paste to use for your development. And let's move to another one, which is Prototype. Yes, so this is the demo app, and we call it Prototype, the example app that you can build with Self-Service API. So we have a lot of list of the project that you can refer to, and this is a fully open source that you can check the code in GitHub. So here, same as SDK, we have a different types, so official and community-based. So in official Prototype, you will be able to see the list here with different framework and different APIs. So you can check and you can click one of them, and you will direct to the information, screenshot, and you will be able to click the GitHub, run this application in your local machine, and you can clone it and you can feel free to use for your applications. And let's go to the code examples. So code example is aligned with the prototypes that in the documentations, you will be able to find all the code example per API and per language. And you will be able to copy and paste directly to call your APIs immediately. And the next one is Postman. As you may know, Postman is an API platform that you can import your APIs to call this API without single line of code. So we are using this third-party platform also. So we have our own Amadeus for Developers collections that you can download, and then you can put your API keys and you can just shoot the APIs without single line of code. And we are going to use this platform a lot for other videos to demonstrate and teach you how to use the APIs. This is the Postman collections that I've downloaded. So once you put your keys in the environment, you will be able to shoot. You will be able to authenticate quickly. You will be able to shoot the query of the each API. And thanks to the Postman feature, you will be also able to see the visualizations of each APIs. And we already have the variable input, so you don't need to update all this departure and the return state. You don't need to also copy and paste the previous response to request another API. So all these convenience are implemented, so feel free to check out. And the last thing, we have Discord channel. In the Discord channel, we are also announcing all the useful news, such as API version update or SDK updates or any other new prototype that is available for you to check out. And also feel free to come here to chat with other developers, other users, to exchange the knowledge and your applications. And that's it. That's all the available resources. So all these resources that I just go through is available in the description. So in next video, last video of this series, I'm gonna go through how to move to productions with you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and see you in the next video.